Hello, welcome to Spa World. Today I'm going to show you all the pots and pans I use in my cooking. Some of my friends asked for it, so I decided to do a video on it. All my hard anodized pans are here. Next, I'll show you all the cast iron pans I have and also all the steel utensils I use. I got this hard anodized set from Costco. All the things that you see in the first row as well as these two saucepans. So I use these saucepans to make fries and omelets. I got this set about like 5 years ago and it's still good. And this one I use for like gravies. And this big one, I use it to make biryani or just to boil rice for biryani sometimes. I use these saucepans to make rasam, sambar, or even to boil milk. And this I use to make tea. This is another pan I got in Macy's. It has like a good shape and it's great to make any fry recipes. Let me show you the cast iron pan section. This is a very big cast iron pan. I got this in Home Goods. I use it to fry chicken. It's super heavy. This is another cast iron pan that I use to make fries. And this is another cast iron pan I use to make dosas. I got this in Amazon. And this is a small cast iron pan that I use for seasoning. And this is another one, a big one that I use for deep fry. I use this to make puris, vada and all deep fry items. And I got this in India. Another small deep fry pan. I use this big one to make large batches, but if I have to make a small batch, I use this one. I got this one from India. It's very cute. This is another big hard anodized pan that I use to make biryanis. So I got this one from Macy's and I love this one. Coming to the steel section, this is an all-clad set. The saucepan and then a gravy pan and then a deep pan and then a saucepan. These four are a set. I got this in Macy's again. I use the saucepan to boil milk. Use these steel pans to make gravies mostly, but I use this one to make fry as well. One good thing about these steel pans is I can just put them in the dishwasher after I'm done with the cooking, whereas for my hard anodized pans and cast iron pans, I don't really put them in the dishwasher. I wash them by hand. This is another aluminum pan that I got from India and I use this to make fish curry. This is specifically used to make fish curry. I don't use it for anything else. This is another steel dish I like. It is deep and it's nice to make gravies. I usually make paneer curry and all that in this. It's an Evercraft brand. I got this in Amazon. It was recommended by a friend, so I wanted to try it. This is another big steel saucepan. I use it to boil rice for biryani. And if I have to make sambar or anything in large quantities, I use this. This is another small steel saucepan. I love the shape of it. I think I got this in Home Goods or Macy's, I don't remember. But I use it to make sambar or rasam in small quantities, just enough for my family. And next one is this Martha Stewart casserole. This is a ceramic one. I use this to make rice items or like biryanis. This is also very heavy. It's cast iron, but it's very colorful. Last but not the least is my Instant Pot Pro. I use this quite a bit, and this is how it is. I use Instant Pot quite frequently. I use it to make curries, rice items, and I also use it to ferment my dosa batter and also yogurt. So there are multiple uses, and I use it very well. I hope you like my pots and pans collection. After seeing this, I realized I have too many pots and pans and I should stop buying in future. But I love my collection and I hope you like this video. So thank you for watching. Please do subscribe if you haven't done so. Bye.